Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I am thankful for conviction. I remember years ago when I decided to quit smoking, I was convicted that I needed to because, I had that smoker's hack and I was always waking up coughing in the middle of the day for no reason whatsoever. Didn't really have a cold or wasn't really sick, just coughing. And I decided that somehow I had to quit smoking. I didn't know how, and I didn't know what was going to happen, but then they raised the cigarette prices, and I was thinking, cigarettes are almost $4. If they go over $4, I've been smoking since I could get them for 50 cents or 75 cents or something like that. And if they go over $4, I'm just not gonna do it. So eventually they went over $4, and it wasn't too long, and I decided I'm just not going to buy cigarettes anymore, and I didn't. The reason why I'm thankful for conviction is because it brings change, and I don't regret one single minute of the time that I quit smoking. And I wish everybody could have the power to quit, because I know that they would feel so much better. And I know that as long as you're looking forward, you're never going to miss smoking or drinking or any other bad habit. So whatever you're facing today and whatever you're convicted needs to happen, make that a priority in your life to change, because it's only going to work for good for you. Now, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments below what it is that you're thankful for today. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.